The mechanism known as catastrophic escalation operates precisely as engineered, triggering a chain reaction from the smallest disruption, a spilled coffee, a missed email, until the entire system crashes down. That's not you being dramatic. It's the sign your internal shock absorber just bottomed out. When this happens, it's easy to think you've just gotten weaker. But the strongest system is useless if the fluid inside is shot. Once that fluid gets contaminated with grit, it can't tell the difference between a small pebble and a deep pothole. Every little bump feels like a crash. So what do? You brace for impact. You try to be stronger, telling yourself to just suck it up. But trying to stiffen the spring just locks the whole system in place. It guarantees every single vibration rattles you straight to the frame. And that jolt to the frame? That's you snapping at your partner over nothing. That's the sudden urge to just quit everything. It isn't a failure of willpower. It's the direct result of treating a fluid problem like a hardware problem. You can't fix this by telling yourself to be tougher. You don't service a machine by yelling at it. You fix it by giving it a moment of non-demand to flush the grit from the system. This isn't a vacation. It's 5 scheduled minutes staring out a window after a hard meeting, letting the pressure subside. Your emotional fitness isn't measured by how much you can take, but by how efficiently you recover. Building that tiny, deliberate maintenance into your day isn't a luxury. It's just good engineering. Once you know how.